Hey, what's up? This is BG Codes, and I am bradgarropy. You should be hearing some music in the background. I've been messing with my stream quite a bit lately. Got new lights, new scenes, music, all sorts of stuff. Shout out Ken Wheeler. This music is his. It's fucking awesome. I'm just going to keep that rolling this whole time. And let me make sure it's set to repeat. Yes, it is. Okay. So, I just want to head over to my YouTube channel and make sure this is actually live, actually doing what it's supposed to be. Let's see. Double checking. So, I just want to head over to my YouTube channel and make sure this is actually live, actually doing what it's supposed to be. Let's see. Cool. Double checking. I think it is. Okay. Y'all let me know if anybody joins. If the music's good. Okay, going back to, here we go. So, tonight, I definitely am getting started late, but here's what I want to do. Let's go to Twitter. I've got Daily Texas Country. I've got this Twitter account. Oh, I need to mute my YouTube channel. Okay, there. So, I've got this Twitter account, Daily Texas Country, and I wrote cloud functions that post a song from a Spotify playlist on there every day. And what I want is the ability to schedule songs. Like, let's say somebody releases a new album and I want, at least one or two of the songs from that album to be posted. I want to just be able to have a place to store a couple songs with dates next to them. And then the cloud functions that I'm using need to go check that data store and tweet those out instead. So I think the first thing I need to do, and then eventually, like in the future, I want like a GUI or a website to actually be able to update that data store and like search Spotify for a certain song, add that on a particular date to the data store. But we're gonna start really, really, really simple. So right now we have serverless functions that need to talk to some data store and check and see if there's a song stored for that day. So first things first, I'm gonna use Airtable to store the data. So let's add a base here and let's start from scratch, and we're gonna call this, I like the green color because it's gonna be like Spotify, and this is gonna be Daily Texas Country, DTXC. And I need something that's like music in here. Headphones is good. Cool. Do you have anything like cowboy? Nah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna delete this field. So Airtable, you don't know, is just like a glorified Excel spreadsheet. And I'm just gonna use it to store like Spotify IDs of a song and a date. So let's customize this field type. It's not okay. No thanks. Go away. Oh my god, go away. Where's all this shit? Okay, we're gonna rename field to date, and we're gonna customize the type. This is now going to be a date. For 2020. That's fine. And we don't need a time. And we're gonna the Spotify ID, I guess. It's like what are the tweets I've tweeted out before? Open link in new tab. No. Here's a song. Okay, let's copy. Oh no. Yeah, that gets changed to a Twitter link. Okay, so the way this works, album, blah, Spotify track. Oh, interesting. Man, you have to like really click it fast. Okay, there you go. So, open.spotify.com, track, and then the track ID. So really, that's what I want. I want the track ID. Let's open up VS Code because I have this here. These are my serverless functions that I wrote. And I have all this here, so song. I pick a random track. I retrieve that track, and then I get what? Let's start this on Netlify Dev. So what I'm looking for is what am I pulling here? Do I need the track's ID or do I need an actual link? Yeah, so it looks like I have an actual link here. Let's go into Netlify, see if I can actually look at my function invocations and logs. Because I already deleted all this crap in Google, so all my logs are gone. Whoops. Just yesterday, I moved these serverless functions over to Netlify. Okay, functions. No functions found in production. Yeah, that's right. Cool. Yep, so we did song.
Dave, I like to party. I'm Rod. No, you're Kevin. Right, Kevin. I party. No, you don't.
Oh.
Nobody parties but me.
So, this is just live function logs. Like, I don't get to see old function logs. Shit. Really? Netlify functions previous logs. Displays a running log. The last hour of activity. Shit. Okay, well, guess we're gonna have to call these. So dev.dailytexascountry.com / Netlify functions song. Okay, great. So look, it actually, oh, it produced a Twitter link. Dang. Song. There it is. Great. Which means I just tweeted something to Daily Texas Country, so I need to rip it out. No, because I'm not on that account. Switch over. Going to Daily Texas Country, deleting this. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, maybe we just hit the link. A single line of text. Yeah, that sounds right. Yep. Because that seems like all we need. So then our serverless function is going to check this. And if it's got, you know, stuff in there for that day, it's not going to pick something random. Okay, so let's see. Let's find like... Cocaine Lambo. I like this song. Let's copy the song link. Gotta do that again. Copy song link. Because I want to get this tracking stuff out of it. This SI crap. Alright, cool. So let's say... And the date. Can I pick one? Yeah, it's going to be today. Awesome. 420. Oh, yeah. Happy 420, everybody. Let's delete these other rows. Okay, cool. So we only have one entry. Sweet. So now I need to edit this song. I need to edit this serverless function here to go check Airtable. So, pretty sure Airtable has, yes, Airtable is an API, but don't they have an SDK integrations? They do show it in JavaScript. Oh, and they are using their SDK here. Their documentation is fucking amazing. Okay, require Airtable. So Airtable JS SDK. Do they have one? Yes. Great. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's do it. So let's npm I Airtable. That was it, right? Yeah. Let's move it out for now. Okay, so let's check the documentation. I need an API key, so give me 1 second. Actually, I'm just gonna move this off screen. Okay. So I have my API key, and now I'm gonna pop open my code editor that you guys can't see and go put it into my .env. Okay, cool. So you shouldn't be able to see any of this crap now. And next up, we need to what? Go back to their docs. Oh, they have an Airtable configure. Oh, okay. So using the environment variable, we just need... Oh, then we have to call that base thing. Okay, let's pop over here. We'll use const Airtable to capital. We'll configure it. This is going to be process.env.airtable API key. And then how did I do this in like Spotify? Oh yeah. .env, got to get that going on. Let's double check. Is that the name? Airtable API key. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. And then here's the base, const base, which I don't want to call it that. I want to call it Airtable. And that is my base ID, playlist ID. Let's do my Airtable base ID, and we'll get that right there, because that's not something I want to ever write again. And Spotify did this. Playlist ID and Airtable base ID. All right, so I have to destructure that. Airtable base ID. Cool. Okay, so then I have Airtable there. And now that should be configured right. And the next thing I can do is go get some stuff. Each record in the table contains the following fields. Yep. Why is it a table 1 table? Oh, because I named it that? What did I do? Okay, this is places, and I called it places. I don't know, DTXC maybe? Refresh this, because right, it changed. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna need to list records. so it's not base, it's called Airtable. DTXC. Okay, we're gonna select the first 3 records. The fucker views. The name or ID of a view. I don't know what that means. This is grid view.
And I like to party.
That's cool. Oh, dude, that's sick. Okay, so like now I can edit this. Oh, oh, that's sick. Grid or calendar? Why the fuck would I ever want grid? This is like, how do I delete a view? Dun, 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 dun. You can't delete a view when it's the only grid view left in the table. Oh, okay, so it has to have a grid. Oh, calendar view's amazing. Okay, so going back to the code, this view is now going to be grid. Do I have to have max records? Just give me all of them. The maximum number of records that will be returned in your request. If this value is larger than page size, which is 100, you may have to load multiple pages. It's optional, so I'm taking it away. Like, when would I ever?
Dave, I like to party. I'm Rod. No, you're Kevin. Right, Kevin.
Okay,
No, you don't.
the view is optional.
But me.
So I can just call select. Dun, 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 dun. See, now this is what I should be doing. Retrieve a single record. I want to retrieve a single record if the date is equal to today. Oh, no, totally wrong. I need to do a select with a filter on it. That's what I need to do. Okay, then what? What does select return? It returns a query object. Each page or first page. Dun, 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 dun. I suppose we can go with first page, because I don't think I'll ever have more than 100. Returned records do not include any fields with empty values. Okay. Can I see what first page is? Okay. It's a function with error or records. I'm going to make it an arrow function instead. Let's just log the record. Or like console table if we can. Okay, that's what I want to do. So this should be deployed on LFI dev. Here we go, localhost 888888888. And it should be at the Airtable endpoint because I don't want this to post a tweet. So I should be able to go through localhost 888 Netlify functions Airtable. Failed. Holy shit. Yeah, that makes sense. I need to declare an actual Lambda function handler. I created a serverless function shortcut in VS Code, so that's dope. So we're just gonna jam it all in there. Can I save these records? Like, they're console logging them. That kind of sucks. Like, how do I just get them all? Can I just return records? Store them here. Const records equals. We'll just stringify the records. That'd be cool. This music is bringing me to life, let me tell you. Yeah, so the first part of this is going to be, is there a tweet scheduled for today? Yes, use that one. And then delete it from Airtable if that's the case. Okay, so we'll try again. Incorrect function response body. Thanks, buddy. Okay, let's get rid of this console.table. I'm trying to be fancy. Let's just log the damn record. Okay, trying again. Yeah, I know. Okay. That sucks. Looks like how do I just JSON that? How do I pull this out easily? What does first page return? Records is undefined. Oh, is this async? I think that's async. Because it's returning with undefined like immediately. Yeah, is that a callback? I think that's a fucking callback. Can I just await that? Please. No. Okay, dot each page. I guess I'm just gonna have to handle stuff in there. I mean, doesn't make any sense. Airtable JS SDK. Are these functions? Lib. First page. Oh. Look at this. The README has information. As of version 5, all methods that take a done callback we don't pass in a done callback. One more time. For example, table select first page gives you a result. Oh, which then okay, let's see. Log it out. It's an array. So these are records. So let's await that. There. Okay, there. Now we have the records on the outside. What do we want to do with them? That's the question. Let's add a few more. Song link. Is there a way to be like, yo, like unique? Airtable unique date field? I don't know. Hi there, I'm just curious how to enforce unique volumes. And make the primary field unique. How do I know which one's the primary field? Oh, okay, there. The answer's no. Gay. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Dun dun dun. Okay, and how do I get there? The stuff. I think it's in fields. Where's a dot get?
And I like hearts.
not documented well enough. So we're gonna map over this, and we're just gonna get just the fields. Where's the dot get?
Dave, I like to party. I'm Rod. No, you're Kevin. Right. Kevin. I party. No, you don't. Okay, nobody parties but me.
Let's try that. Yeah, cool. Whoops, realized I've been tweeting shit from Daily Texas Country somehow. Okay. Let's go back here. So, how do I find a record that's like today? Rather than filtering what's actually coming back, let's formulas used for the record, and if the result is your response. If combined with a view parameter, only records satisfy in that view, right? Okay, for example, to only include records where link isn't empty, pass not link is equal to that as a parameter like this. Okay, so formula. Date and time. Can I say today? Today. Hmm. Let's just do a quick Google real fast. Like Airtable date is today. Where's that top 10? Yeah, this one. Today, deadline to 8 days. Figure out which day comes first. Holy shit. Create recurring events. Check day of the week. Wow. Okay, those were two. Okay. Is same. Returns day of the month. Let's see, so it should be something like this. Ooh, can I write custom stuff here so I can try it? No. No. Okay, that's fine. Is same. Oh, and where do I put this in the call? Filter by formula. In select options. Let's check out the unit. Unit. They're gonna tell me days. Let's see. Date 1, date 2, hour. This should be fine. So I've got 3 here. Today, tomorrow, and the next day. I'll refresh that. Damn it. Upset time zone. Okay. Where's the today? Airtable today. No time. I think I'm gonna have to set a time zone myself.
And we're going to climb it. And the moon and the planets are there. And new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And
So they're saying something like this: daytime format, blah 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 blah.
lessons on the most hazardous, dangerous, and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked.
Show me the time zones. America, Chicago. How did I have this set? Month, data, year. Um, it's MD YYYY. D YYYY. Separated by slashes. Daytime format is not defined. What? Need some nesting in this bitch. Can't even tell what's going on. Oh, maybe because that's why. Okay, so what's set time zone do? So set time zone says today in the thing. And date format is like set time zone thing plus that thing. Damn it. A date, another date in days. Ay, got him. Okay. That's stupid. First of all, I hate the syntax. Can go straight to hell. No trailing commas. Can suck my dick.
And I like to party.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Do I have to stringify it? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, yes, look at that. Okay, dope. So we have a way to get Dun, 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 dun.
Dave.
I like to party. I'm Rod.
No, you're Kevin.
Right. So, party.
No, you don't. Okay, nobody parties but me.
Okay, so let's start like separating this out a little bit. Okay, so I have an Airtable, but what I really need is probably like, I can put all this stuff inline, but that really sucks. What I want to do is, it's like right now Airtable's just exporting the Airtable object, but what if it did so much more? Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Well, we're at a good stopping point, okay? What's gonna happen is I need to move Airtable away somewhere or write some functions of like get today's, you know, tweet or whatever. That's dope. Okay. Let's check Daily Texas Country Twitter. Have I accidentally tweeted anything? No. Good. Okay. Let's, just for shits and giggles, make one from yesterday. Ain't got enough dick to go around. That sounds about right. Okay, so Airtable has been updated. Okay, great. Yeah, this might be a good stopping point. Now we can get no, let's do one more thing. We're gonna make an arrow function that says get today's song. Is everything a track? Am I calling everything a track? Song. Track. Song. I don't call anything a song. Get today's track. And basically, I'm just going to copy paste all this in here. This is async. I mean, there should only be one, right? I hate this, so I'm gonna pull it out. Okay. Got my filter out here. Calling Airtable. And I'm returning tracks multiple. Which is kind of weird. It's okay. So this one can get deleted. Just like really quick. Return status code of 200, and the body is going to be whatever I get from here. So get today's track, and I'm going to wait this const tracks. The body is going to be JSON stringify tracks. Can I spell? Thank you. And we need to pull that in. Const get today's track. Requiring this from utils Airtable. So song, I can call song, and I should be fine. Function invocation failed. Tracks has already been declared. Oh, come on. The question is, did it tweet anything? Nope. One more time. Doink. Today's track was Cocaine Lambo. Cool. No, it's 12:04 now. Damn it. Something's off with the time zone. It's still grabbing yesterday's. I can fix that tomorrow. But really, like at 8 in the morning when I do this, I don't think it's gonna matter. We'll see. So we're in a good spot. Airtable's exporting its thing. I'm happy with that. I could really do... Oh, Twitter's just like a one-liner? wait. What about Spotify? Yeah, this could all be abstracted a bit more. This is all work I can do tomorrow. So we're well on our way, okay? Right now we can retrieve... let me just X out of this. And I don't want to deploy this. Okay, so where are we? We have an Airtable created where we can put entries in a sick calendar view. Love that. And yeah, that's going to be by hand. And then we have a utility library that's going to allow us to query Airtable for those planned tweets to go out. Next step is fix the time zone situation. That's kind of messed up. And then we take that track list, and if there's a track in the track list, you tweet that and ignore the rest of it. If there's not a track in the track list, then you have to go like ask Spotify for stuff and all that stuff. So thank you guys for joining the stream today. It was a productive one. Hopefully by the end of the week we have at least this serverless function done, and then maybe next week we can start on a front-end GUI for this. That would be sweet. So as always, this has been BG Codes. I'm bradgarropy. You can catch me on bradgarropy.com and twitter.com/bradgarropy. Looking forward to talking with y'all. Peace out.